There's a reason why Baniyas like Aggarwal, Gupta, Goel, Bansal, and not just them, even Ambani's, Birlas, Jindals, Mittals are actually the smartest business brains, not just in India but across the world. Firstly, they understand that business is controlled not through business administration but through accounting. The concepts and tools of Bahi Khaata and daily ledger actually instills in them a discipline of daily measurement and metrics, which is what they use to control business. Secondly, they understand the difference between cash flow and profit. They realize that while profit is an opinion, cash flow is the reality, which is why they're actually not miserly. They can very easily apply this one decision lens to say whether a cash outflow is an expense to be written off or it's an investment for future cash inflows to come in. Thirdly, it actually runs in their family. Right from an early age, they're exposed to a lot of conversations around market opportunities, profit and loss over breakfast and dinner, which means when they grow up and they really want to start a venture, they know that family support is going to come towards them even if they fail. Now, in comparison, when you look at Punjabis, at the time of the partition, a lot of Punjabi families had to actually leave their generational wealth in Pakistan and move to India. In comparison, Baniyas did not have to do it in those big numbers, which means their generational wealth could also compound massively, which actually tells you that entrepreneurship and wealth creation is actually a great function of the environment that you grow up in. And the Baniyas played really well. Share it with